Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can set up your Google Authenticator app. So simply, first of all, what you have to do, open your Gmail. Now you can see your profile, click on your profile and select any Gmail. When you select any Gmail, click on manage your Google account. Now scroll down and you can see security and sign in as the second option. Click on it. Then scroll down and you can see two-step verification. Click on it. Then you will need to add your screen lock or fingerprint here. Now scroll down and you can see Authenticator option. Click on Setup Authenticator. Now you will be given a scanner. Ignore that scanner and click on Can't scan it. Now you will have a long code. Simply copy that code and open your Google Authenticator app. When you open that app, you can see that plus icon. Click on this plus button. Now you can see two options. Click on the second option, enter a setup key. Now you can see two things, code name and your key. For code name, you can write anything you want. For example, I write my name. But the second thing is same key we copied there. Now we need to paste it here. When you paste it, simply click on add. Now you can see you will have 6 digit a short code. Copy that code and come back to your Gmail. Now click on those next button. You see a thing, enter code. Simply paste those code we copied there. Now we need to paste it here. And simply click on the verify button. Now you can see your authenticator added just now. So that's all. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and also comments whether your issue was resolved or not.